the purpose of this video is to go over step 3. As you notice, it talks about Max having difficulty with Excel. So if you're going to use the Excel sheets, you need to use a PC, or you can use the online calculator. So what you're going to be doing in step 3 is taking your data from step 2 and putting it into 2x2 squares. Let me download this. Okay. So in these charts, anything that is colored has equations in it. And just to review what we're doing with chi-square, what happens with chi-square is that you're measuring how likely it is that the changes that occurred were related to your program. Because what happens is if we did no program and all we did was a pre-test, post-test, there would be a change numerically, there would be a change in the data. So we're measuring what the expected change is that would happen without a program to the observed change that actually happened with the program. And those are the equations that are behind all of these colored squares. So you're going to have pre-test, for example, pre-test, post-test, right, wrong. And you're going to put in how many people got the pre-test right, how many got the post-test right for that question. This is question 1. How many got it wrong on the pre-test? And how many got it wrong on the post-test? So what this is saying is that we're 0.6159, which means we're 61.59% sure that you caused this change to happen. So let's look at this one also down here. Let's say that 5 people get it right on the pre-test and 15 people get it right on the post-test. And then on the pre-test, 15 get it right, and on the wrong, and on the post-test, 10 people get it wrong. You can see for this one, we're 99.21% sure that you're the person who your group caused that change to happen. So that's what will happen. You'll be doing each question will have its own sheet. So you're going to take the items from step 2 and put them into either an Excel spreadsheet, and there's 2 options, or into the Excel calculator. So let's look at the Excel calculator. So here is the Excel the chi-square calculator. When you click on it, it will take you to a web page. You want the chi-square calculator. You're going to put your categories here, which are pre, post, correct, incorrect, and then you'll hit next. Then it's going to ask you to put the numbers in. 10 people got it right on the post-test, 18 people got it right on the pre-test, post-test, and 15 people got it wrong on the pre-test, and 10 people got it wrong on the post-test. We're not doing significance, so just leave that where it is, and then you're going to ask it to calculate chi-square for you. And it's telling you that this is the statistic, and that means the p-value is 0.07756. In order to find out what we're looking for, you take this number and subtract it from 1.0. So 1.0 minus 0.077056 is approximately 90.923, which is approximately 92.3%. So that would mean in this case, we're 92.3% likely that you caused the change. Again, we are not reporting significance because most of your results would be not significant. So we're looking at the probability that you caused change to happen. We will go over this in class. It can be complicated, but that is what we're going to be doing in class. So you can do it in an Excel spreadsheet. If you do that, use a PC, not a Mac, or you can use these social statistics. Either way, you're going to need to have the pages. So if you use the social statistics page, you're going to have to screenshot each page that you've done and identify it. If you use the chi-square page, you're going to put those into your paper as well or into a share drive. So that summarizes this step, and we'll also go over it in class to go over in more detail. But in case you forget anything, at least you'll have some information to review.